Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage app development with Firebase, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage app development with Firebase, start by creating a Firebase account. Visit the Firebase website and click on the Get Started button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Once logged in, click on Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Enter a name for your project and select the Google Analytics option if desired. Click Create Project to finalize the setup. After your project is created, you'll be taken to the Firebase console. From here, you can add your app by clicking Add App and selecting your platform, either iOS or Android. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your app. If you're developing for Android, download the Google Services.json file. For iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file. Next, integrate Firebase SDK into your app. For Android, add the Firebase dependencies in your build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install Firebase libraries. Now, initialize Firebase in your app's main entry point. For Android, add Firebase app.initializeApp, this, in the onCreate method. For iOS, include Firebase app.configure, in the didFinishLaunchingWithOptions method. With Firebase integrated, you can now explore its services. Start with Firebase authentication by enabling the authentication method of your choice. Implement user registration and login features in your app. Next, explore Firestore for real-time data storage. Create a Firestore database in the Firebase console and set up security rules. Integrate Firestore into your app to read and write data. Consider using Firebase storage for handling user-uploaded files or images. Add functionality in your app to upload and retrieve files from Firebase storage. Monitor your app's performance using Firebase Performance Monitoring. Set up Firebase Crashlytics to track and fix issues effectively. Utilize Firebase Cloud Messaging to send notifications to your users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.